I just wanted to film them together, but it turned into some kind of lamp worshipping cult. Meet this tiny dragon, an old project from 2020. I originally planned it as a small bedside lamp, cute and decorative, but I abandoned it almost at the very final stage. The dragon was already painted, the lamp decoration was prepared, all that was left was to assemble everything and add the final brush touches. Turns out that took 6 years. Originally, the lamp decoration looked like this, but now it felt a bit boring to me, so I decided to try other options. Back in 2020, I was planning not just one lamp, but a whole set. That's why there are so many variations. I ended up with 3 finalists. If you looked closely at the cover of this video, you already know which one won. If not, here is our winner. From the idea of making several lamps, not only the decorations remained, but also the dragons themselves. They have small casting defects that are easy to fix, but the thing is, I'm no longer planning to work on them. So if any of my followers ever wants to give these little ones a second chance, I'll gladly add one of these dragons to your order. I just wanted to film them together, but it turned into some kind of lamp worshipping cult. After this video, I've been calling these dragons cultists. On a more serious note, I'm really happy I finally finished this little one. It's far from perfect and not at all like the original idea I had in my head back in 2020, but I like it. I came back to it in February 2026 during the long power outages in Ukraine, and it somehow became a tiny ray of hope.